This is the second video on finding area. I'm hoping you've already watched the first one. To review the concepts in the first video, we talked about squares being special rectangles whose sides all have the same length. Since each side has the same length, you only need that number to describe that square. 1 square inch is a square whose sides are 1 inch. 1 square centimeter is a square whose sides are each 1 centimeter. Squares are used to measure area, and to find the area of a shape, you must find the number of squares that cover that shape. In this video, I will show you how to find the area of a shape that's on a grid. To find the area of any shape that's on a grid, you must find out the size of the squares in the grid. These are square centimeters. You must count the squares in that shape, and then write the answer with a correct label. So, we're going to start with this shape right here. And to find the area, I'm going to count the squares. I can count them one at a time. 1, 2, I want to mark them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 32 square centimeters. Now there are faster ways to figure out the squares if you know that you can separate out, for instance, this rectangle, and you can figure out quickly how many squares are in it. That would be a quicker way to figure it out. But right now, we're just going to make sure that we can count the squares that are covering the shape using the grid. So, the second shape we're going to look at is this one. And in order to figure out this one, again, I could separate out some rectangles by drawing some lines and taking a look at this rectangle, and then this one, and then this one. But I'm going to just count them right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this section is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This section has 9, and this one is obviously 1. So 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 15 is 25. 25 square centimeters. The last one we're going to try is a little more interesting because it has these partial pieces. If you think about this piece and this piece, like if I could cut that out and flip it around, it would fit in this space right here. So I'm going to count this and this as 1 because this is 1/2 of a square and this is the other half of a square, so we'll count it as 1 square. And I'll count this one and this one together as the second square, third, and fourth. Now the rest are full squares, so after that I've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 square centimeters. So, what you need to remember is to find the area of a shape on a grid, you must find the number of squares that it takes to cover that shape.